హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Hello friends, how are you? This is my first video in English. Let's start. Today episode is a benefits of dragon fruit. We can consider dragon fruit is name is called pitaya in India. Actually, there is a lot of health benefits in eating a dragon fruit. A dragon fruit is a good source of antioxidants. It prevents free radicals and products from causing cancer and other health determinants from entering our body. Also, this fruit helps in neutralizing the toxic substance such as heavy metals. Besides, high blood pressure and cholesterol levels can be reduced by consuming dragon fruit. Regular consumption of this aids in fighting against cough and asthma. This has high amounts of vitamin C and helps in healing bruises and cuts quickly and enhancing the immune system. Also, the vitamin B2 present in dragon fruits acts like a multivitamin and helps to improve and recover the loss of appetite. And also vitamin B1 in this fruit helps in increasing the energy production, also in metabolic carbohydrates due to presence of vitamin B3. It helps in lowering bad cholesterol levels. It improves the appearance of your skin by smoothing and moisturizing it. Improves the eyesight and prevents hypertension. There is a lot of people in India also faces hypertension. This fruits help the decrease the hypertension, and also it decrease the cholesterol levels. Also, there is a lot of advantages. Regular consumption of dragon fruit decreases weight and thereby creates well balanced body. With there is a Indians also, there is a lot of people are fat people. This can reduce the weight and also increasing the good metabolism. And also there is a nutrients are also good. And also dragon fruit is also help in reducing blood sugar levels in people suffering from type 2 diabetes. There is a India is a capital of diabetes. We are know this issue. Dragon fruit also reduces the type 2 diabetes. This will decrease the type 2 diabetes. This will very good for source of diabetes to patients. And also there is a lot of nutrients in dragon fruit. We will discuss every point one by one. There is a niacin 1.3 mg. There is 100 grams of, we will take 100 grams of dragon fruit. There is a niacin 1.3 mg, riboflavin 0.044 mg, and thiamine 0.0 mg, vitamin C also 9 mg, and vitamin B3 0.43 mg, and vitamin B2 0.045 mg, vitamin B1 0.043 mg, iron also good source and 0.65 mg, and phosphorus 36 mg, and calcium 8.8 mg, and creatine 0.012 mg, and crude fiber 0.9 mg grams, and fat also 0.6 grams, and ash 0.28 grams, and protein 0.229 grams, and moisture 83 grams, and others 0.683 grams. This is the benefits of dragon fruit. We are also discuss everyone one by one. Let's see where is the dragon fruit comes. This is a dragon fruit. This will comes from the dragon. Also, we will see very clearly dragon fruit is coming on this one. This is the video. We are like it, we can share your video, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching everyone.